Hey guys, we're back here with another video, and today in this video we will be showcasing this Zenfone Lite L1, and I will show you guys why this Zenfone Lite L1 is better than the newly launched Redmi Go. Redmi Go is priced at 4500 Indian rupees, and you can get this Zenfone Lite L1 for like 5000 rupees in a sale, and that sale comes like twice a month. So yeah, you can definitely have a look at this pricing. So, and even you can get insurance with this phone, that too at just rupees 10. So that is really a bargain at this price point. Now the first reason being this device sports Snapdragon 430 chipset. Now that means it's an octa-core chipset as compared to the quad-core on the Snapdragon 425 on the Redmi Go. And this phone even gets 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. That's much better than that device. Now that device is having Android Go, so that's why they have gone with less storage and RAM. And on hardware front, this device is really good. It specs in all the sensors and all the stuff, so you won't feel like it's lagging behind in any case or any scenario. So yeah, and not even that, this device even gets a triple card slot, so you can have your two sims and a SD card. I have put in a Samsung SD card, as you guys can see. And now performance wise, this device works really well. There were no lags whatsoever. So, and day to day usage, this phone was performing really good. Now the second reason would be the gaming. This device is really good for gaming at this price point. Here you guys can have a look at the gameplay I had in PUBG Mobile, and this was set to lower settings, but still you guys can see the gameplay is really good. There are no lags or frame drops. You might occur some frame drops here and there, but nothing like the game is unplayable or anything. You can have an idea from this. Now coming on to the next reason, that would be the stock Android. This device gets pure stock Android with very less apps from Asus. These are the apps that you will be getting from Asus. Not, I mean, there are no other apps on the phone, and it's pretty clean. The UI is very smooth, and it even gets Android Oreo. No Android Pie till now. So now coming on to the next thing would be the camera. This device has one of the best camera for this price point. I mean, there are no other phones at this price point that have such good camera. Now the primary camera here, as you can see, it can record full HD videos, and the camera is really good. It is even have HDR and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you record the video. That's how the camera interface looks like. Now we have a look at some of the shots that I took with this phone. As you guys can see, the images are really detailed, and there is even little bokeh effect, and dynamic range also it's good. So these photos were shot indoors, and even in those lighting conditions the photos are kind of usable. This was in good lighting. This was at night, and the photo was okayish, I would say. Now this is the front facing camera, that too is good for the price. Now here is a video sample. This one is without audio. So yeah, now the next point would be the compact body. It has the 18:9 aspect ratio for this price point. Redmi Go does not offers that, and that 5.5 inches feels very good in hand. That size is perfect, and if you're looking for a compact body, then that is the perfect size for you. So yeah guys, that's my point on this comparison. If you guys like this, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.